Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide on renewable source of energy using just PowerPoint. Plus, you can free download this template from a link in the description below and it's completely free to download. So first of all, we're going to start by blanking our slide and we're going to go to Insert tab and Shapes and insert this shape right here. And let's just rotate it a bit and increase its width and go to added points, and we're gonna just move this part by holding shift to the right side a bit, only a bit. And so here you go. The next thing we're gonna do is insert a triangle and then rotate it like this, and we're gonna rotate a bit more and then decrease its size. Select both of them, remove the outlines so that we can clearly see what the shape is and unite them from the merge option. We're gonna increase their size so that we can clearly see it into our slide, and you have to increase only that much size of it that it is visible in our slide. The next thing we're going to do is go to shape format and click on picture texture fill and go to insert a picture, and from your device you're going to insert a picture and check this box of rotate with shape, crop it from the crop option, and then you can adjust its size or whatever part of it you want to make visible in your slide. Next, we're going to go to the Insert tab, and from here, we're going to insert a text box in which we're going to write our title. Now, let's just increase its size, and then we're going to put it onto our slide. Let's increase its size and change its font to a darker font for the title. And then we're going to use the eyedropper to give it a fill. Next, we're going to insert our content text, change its fill to gray, and decrease their size. Move everything to the right side. Now insert another text box in which you're gonna write your text, and then you can also add a background fill to it. But as you can see, this doesn't look really nice, so we're just gonna remove the text and only keep the rectangle and increase its size, and then insert a text box on it in which we're gonna write our text. So this is gonna be a one-word text. Duplicate this shape, and what we're going to do is just change the shape's fill to no fill and give it an outline of the same green color, and add your text and give it the fill of the same green color. Let me tell you that you can free download this template from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use. So now let's search for energy in the icons tab, and from here we can get this one icon which is free as well, and it relates to renewable source of energy. So I'm just going to use it. Now let's increase its size and then put it right here to the right bottom part. We're gonna give it transparency and rotate it after decreasing its size and put it right here. Now let's change its fill to black and then increase its transparency. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Plus you can free download this template from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use.